Welcome back to C#.NET Tutorials. I'm Venkat. In the previous video, we have seen different data types available in C#. In this video, let us try to read all those data types from the console and let us try to display it. So these are all the data types we have discussed: integer data types, decimal, and Boolean, and character, and last one is the base data type. These are all the data types we have seen in the previous video. Let us try to read and display those data types. Console.readLine. Before this read line, let us put console.WriteLine. Please enter your name. And he will enter the name. We need to capture that inside the name variable. And same thing. So here we are covering the string. Console.WriteLine, please enter your age. So here we need to create age variable and we need to hold that. Here you can see we got one error. This console.readLine is saying some error, that is cannot implicitly convert type string to integer. In the previous videos we have discussed, so the return type of this readline is string. This console.readline method will return the data in string format. But if we enter the age, we need to capture that age in the integer variable, right? So how can we store that? If you want to store in integer variable, you need to convert string to integer. How can we convert string to integer? String str age, so age in string. Now let's define age variable. Here int dot parse of string variable. So console.readline is returning the data as string and we are converting that string to integer using the method int.parse. Okay. So now we got the age. So now please enter your school fees. School fees. This is the school fee. So now we need to convert this decimal dot parse. Here we need to make it a decimal. School fees can be floating or decimal. So that's why I have used the decimal. We will enter the decimal here, and after reading that, we are converting that string into decimal. Now please enter your gender. So what is the gender type? Boolean. We have tried string and integer, decimal, and gender. Now we need to print console.WriteLine student details. Console.write, name is that. So first is the name and next one is the age, school fee, and gender. Name, age, fees, gender. Age, school fees, gender. So when we are printing the gender, it will print true or false, right? So we need to make it male or female. Okay, we will do that. Let's run this first. So it is asking, please enter your name, Nehant. Please enter your age, 10 years. Please enter your school fees, 1000.00. Please enter your gender. Gender is 1 is male, 0 is female. 1 was not recognized as a valid. Okay, let us enter true or false. Please enter your name, Nehant. Please enter your age, 10. Please enter your school fees, 1000.00. Please enter your gender. Let us enter true. Yep. So it is printing. The name is this one, age is 10, fees is this, and gender is true. So we need to print these one line after one. Okay, let us print that line after line. So to make that, after printing this, we need to use console.WriteLine. So no need of using the console.write. Okay. Now it will print line after line, and we need to make gender as if gender equal to true. If gender equal to true, print male, else if gender equal to false, female. So what we are doing, if gender equal to true, we are printing male. If gender equal to false, we are printing female. Now let me run this. Please enter your name, Nehant. Please enter your age, 10. Please enter your school fees, 100.00. Please enter your gender, true. Here you can see student details, name Nehant, age 10, fees this one, gender is male. But when you are entering, please enter your gender. So it is not user friendly, entering true or false. We can ask them, enter true for male, enter false for female. Okay, that's valid. So when you are asking this one, please enter true for male, false for female. Now let us run this. Please enter your name, Nehant. Please enter your age, 10. Please enter your school fees, 100.00. Please enter your gender. Here you can see. Please enter true for male, false for female. True. And here are the details. Student details. Name is this, age, fees, and gender. Okay. So this is how we can collect and print the details. What we learned here. So we learned reading different data types from the console, and we learned converting from one data type to another data type. So console.readline always gives you the data in string format. So you can convert that string data to your required data type. Okay. Here we are converting string to integer. Here we are converting string to decimal. Here we are converting string to Boolean. And finally, we are printing all the details. Okay. This is how we can read different data types from the console. We did not see this object type. We are going to look at this object type in the upcoming videos in detail. For more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe.